They took it to 10.
I got hoes calling a young nigga phone. Where's Ollie with the motherfucking dog? I be ballin' like a motherfucking pro. I be ballin' like my nigga Mo. Check West, I ain't a motherfucking joke. Steph West, stay with the fucking pole. You fuck around and get pulled. Bitch, 'cause I got hoes calling a young nigga phone. Where's Ollie with the motherfucking dog? I be ballin' like a motherfucking pro. I be ballin' like my nigga Mo. Check West got so many flows. I do it all. Call me Drake, how a nigga oh fuck, shit, bitch. Yeah, Check West said I'm getting really rich. See how I caught it, 'cause I'm really with the shit. See me in the streets and I be really with a bad bitch. Niggas straight rockin', niggas straight see me when they see me, they be coppin'. I'm the best drug dealer, nigga, come and coppin'. Yeah, Check West, I'm like the fucking Green Goblin. Where's Ollie with the motherfucking dog? With the motherfucking dog. With the motherfucking dog. Bitch, with the dog. Getting rich with my bro. Bitch, shit, I fucked your hoe. Shit, and she ain't even let you know. Shit, fucked up. This nigga nice, fuck is you talking about? Bitch, and my nigga 1-6, my nigga. I lead a day trip, nigga. Fuck is niggas talking about? Shit. Get the cops. On the go.
Team, you about to go out the goddamn door. I had to make sure that you was okay.
16-year-old. Bitch.
They took it to 10.
I got hoes